That's right. So you got all these poppets, right? And we're going to make a poppet bed and a poppet room for you and Wiggles and Waggles, right?
Right, and these are mega poppets.
They're mega poppets. All right, so we're gonna, ready? So here you are. You are going to start making your poppet room.
Okay, should I start with the bed?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, wait a minute. I think somebody came to visit you.
Hi.
Oh, look,
Waggles.
it's Shark Waggles.
Hi, Waggles.
Waggles, are you going to help?
Well, you're kind of sitting where I was about to put the poppets. Oh, thank
He's
you.
leaving. All right, so here we go. So you're going to make the poppet.
I'm going to make the bed first. And do you think the bed should go right here?
That looks good to me. All right, so Waggles is helping you.
Hi. I was about to put a poppet there.
Waggles, you got to move, buddy.
Okay. So I'm going to try to make them lined up. So should I have it like that or with
Oh,
the
no, your
purple?
colors all have to touch, right?
Yeah, so like that, purple, like that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Looks good.
Putting wax.
All right, let's start making it, okay?
Okay.
So you're working on your bed, right?
Yeah. I might need some more poppets soon.
So I'll hand you the poppet. So here's a poppet. Poppet for you.
So is it gonna go 3 down?
It's up to you. However you want to do it.
Okay. So these are like that.
And we've got to put some on the walls, right?
Yeah, we have a special method we're gonna use to put them on the walls, right?
Yeah. So she's got to get her colors right?
Yeah. This could look more like a pull-out couch too, because like I could put like poppets behind it to make it look like couch cushions.
Oh, wait a minute. Somebody's coming to visit you.
Oh, it's Blippi Dog!
It's Blippi Dog. What, Blippi Dog? Are you ready? Are you ready for the poppet room too? Blippi Dog. Blippi Dog. So we're designing a poppet room with different colors. So do you see how the assistants
Can I pop it?
The orange are all touching each other, and then the purple are all touching each other, right?
Right.
Here's another poppet. Poppet. And these are actual poppets too, right?
Show them how they pop.
Here you go.
That's a quiet side, probably.
And then you
No,
know
that's
it.
quiet.
So these are actual poppets, right? Poppet for you. Oh, right in the head.
Oh, the dogs are just sitting right there.
So you guys, this is going to be your poppet room too. That's right, Waggles and Wiggles. Wiggles, are you excited for the poppet? Are you, Blippi Wiggles?
Can I have another poppet?
All right, so here's another poppet. Wiggles, are you excited?
Oh, this one is my poppet.
I don't think they can see us, assistant.
This one is my poppet because it has red on it.
Oh.
We're gonna use this one for the pillow.
That's for the pillow.
Yeah.
So, Wiggles, do you want to see the poppet? What do you think? What do you think, Blippi Wiggles? You know what color that is?
What color are you pointing to?
This one right here.
Purple.
And then right next to it we have, Wiggles, can you say blue? And then turquoise and light blue and yellow and orange. I think Waggles is better with his colors than Wiggles.
Yeah.
Alright, so you got 2, and now we're gonna do some more. You're gonna have to move so you can get them right there, right?
I'm gonna sit on it. Because we're only doing 2 layers up, right?
So what does it feel like laying on a poppet bed?
It feels like you're laying on a silicone bed with a bunch of like lines on it.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It's kind of weird to describe. It kind of feels like you're on a mattress, one that adjusts to you, like.
Oh, like
that?
memory foam.
Yes, it feels like a memory foam mattress, kind of.
Okay. Wow. So this is what it looks like, right? So you've got 3 times 3 rows, right? So you got 3 rows this way, and then 3 that way. So what's 3 times 3?
9.
9. But you've got 2 layers. So how many poppets are you using in total?
18.
18, because 3 times 3 times 2. That's the volume of the number of poppets you're using.
Yep. So now I'm done with this, and we're gonna add the pillow.
So you got your pillow.
And we gotta make sure there's no gaps in here. So just like pretty good, right?
Good deal. All right, so now you've got to decorate the walls and all kinds of stuff, right?
Right.
And for Blippi, Waggles, you want to put Waggles on it. Waggles, you want to try it and see how comfortable the Poppit bed is? Waggles, all right, Blippi dog, why don't you try it? We'll try with Blippi dog. Blippi dog, will you try it?
Come on it, Wiggles.
Because you got to have a little doghouse made out of it. Blippi dog, what do you think? You're not going anywhere. Okay. All right, let's keep decorating, okay?
Okay.
So, assistant, how do you hang them on the wall?
So, I already did one side, and now I'm going to put it right there. And I'm going to poke a hole right through there.
Okay. So you've got this little tool here, right, for making box forts. One side's got a little poker, and the other side's like a little screwdriver. And then you've got little screws that you put on, right? And then here you use the screwdriver to screw it right into the wall. Can't really see you doing it though.
Just like that.
Just like that. That one's a little crooked. So we're gonna put a few more on the wall and then we're gonna see how it looks, right?
Yeah.
So that is how you can hang your Poppit on the wall. Oh, and look, Waggles went and got a tuxedo on. Waggles, do you like your tuxedo?
Waggles.
So there is the, wait a minute, where's the assistant at?
Right here.
Oh, you're underneath a bed of Poppits?
Yeah.
Well, that's probably not very advisable. So look, show me your Poppits everywhere, right?
Okay, let me just get all the Poppits off of me.
Okay.
Okay, so I was laying on my Poppit bed, and over here is the floor, and I did have to take up some of the floor as my blanket.
Oh yeah, and you got some on the back right there, right?
Right, this could be like my stopper from going off the bed.
Okay, and then you've got a back wall, right? So show me that back wall.
It's fun because whenever you're bored at night, you could just like put your hands behind you and then pop them.
Oh really? Yeah, that's a good idea. That way you could, instead of counting sheep, you could pop Poppits, right?
You can flip it up and pop the ones that you just put there.
Okay.
And also, on some of my shelves, I have my other fidget toys.
Oh really? Like, wait a minute. Oh, where was that at?
Right there.
Oh, right there. So show me what's up there.
So, I have some monkey noodles.
How do those work?
This is what they do.
Oh, wow. Wait a minute.
Boing.
Super cool.
And then I got some mochis.
Oh yeah. Now these are all fidget toys, right?
Right. Marble mesh.
How do those work?
There's a marble and mesh. And you just put it up and down.
I don't know. I'm not familiar with all these types of...
Infinity cube.
Ooh, that's pretty cool.
I don't know what this is called, but it's pretty fun to play with.
It's like just a little regular fidget toy,
This is my favorite one.
Oh, really?
Yeah. You get to click it and it's fun.
Ooh.
A DNA ball.
DNA ball.
Pop tube. Mini pop tubes.
So these are all things that you can have inside of your we're going to call it a Poppit fort, right?
Poppit board.
Wait a minute. Look who's inside of our Poppit fort.
Waggles.
Waggles, you still got your tuxedo on, don't you?
And now, here's some of my miniature.
Wait, where'd you get that from, though?
Over there.
Oh, like another room inside of your Poppit fort.
Right there.
Right?
That can be Waggles' bed and that could be Wiggles' bed.
Oh, okay. So Waggles, this is your bedroom right here, Waggles.
Yeah.
And then Wiggles, Blippi Wiggles, is right here, right? So.
This is a mega pop tube.
Ooh, mega, huh?
I love the mega pop tubes. Or these could be regular size pop tubes, and the ones that I just had were mini. But my favorite Poppit out of all of these would probably be this one or a blue one, but I don't think that one's in here right now.
No?
No. I like this one because it's glow in the dark.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And I got some Simple Dimples.
Oh, Simple Dimples. I like Simple Dimples.
So I have one that's, I don't know what that one is, but
Wait
I have a paw print.
Oh yeah, speaking of a paw print, guess who went inside of his bedroom?
Wiggles!
Blippi Wiggles, right? Wiggles, do you like that? Your bedroom there? What do you think about that, Wiggles? Wiggles.
Wiggles.
And then Waggles is over here in this room, right? On the Poppit bed. Now you don't actually need to have this many poppets, right? We just did just to do something fun with all these different colors. Right?
It's very colorful in here.
So Sissa, what else could you make a fort out of?
Poppets.
Cardboard, right?
Cardboard.
What else?
Paper.
Paper. You could, if you had like long rolls of paper. What else?
Plastic.
No, you can't make them out of plastic because then you might not be able to breathe, right?
Right. Plants.
Plants? I've never seen a plant before. Oh, we have
Blankets.
Blankets, that's right. So we're gonna make a blanket fort too. But we kind of saw one out of those trees when we were in Hawaii, right?
Oh yeah. The blankets were the
banyan trees were like
forts. Yeah, the leaves were the blankets because it kind of covered it.
So should we do a poppet or should we do a blanket fort sometime?
Yeah, come on Waggles, come here.
Waggles, so Waggles, you've got your bedroom there.
Wiggles has his bedroom over there.
Waggles' bedroom's there. And then Wiggles' bedroom is right there, right?
Right, and we got all these poppets to play with.
And so these poppets were just a fun little way to show you different things. So we were able to figure out volume because we did 3 rows by 3 rows, so it was a square. And then it was 2 thick, so that was 3 times 3 times 2, which is 18. So that was the volume, right?
Right. I also like this poppet because of it's hard. Oh, Waggles moved to a different corner.
So you like that one because it's hard? Oh yeah.
Yeah, and you can't bend it, which is pretty cool.
Yeah. Oh, look at what Waggles, you moved over here into this corner now. Hi Waggles, are you a good boy? He's a good boy. All right, everybody, let us know what you think about our super fun Poppit house, right?
Fort.
Yeah, with our blanket and with all these different fun things. And what else can we make forts out of? Because this was just like a fun experiment, right?
Right. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye, everyone. Make sure you subscribe too if you ask your parents, right?
Right. Bye.